99 Jeep Wrangler barn find. We've been fixing it up. The first video we pulled it out. Second video is fuel pump and getting it running, driving it around. This video, the headlight switch isn't working, so I was going to go through and show y'all how to replace headlight switch. I've already took this first panel off, which goes right here. So it's 4 Phillips head screws. You only need a screwdriver for this. And then behind that is this panel, which is 2 screws. I pulled that off. Well, after you get that off, you get your headlight where you pull out on this TJ, where you pull it out, turn your headlights on and your dome lights. There is a button on the back. So if you reach around, this will be in there like that. If you reach around, you push this down, reach back here and push the button, then this pulls right out. And after that, you take a Phillips head screwdriver and you put your Phillips head screwdriver in there. And this holds your switch in. After you get that out, pull it out, and then your switch falls out. And you unplug all your plugs. There's only 2 plugs, one there and one big plug in the bottom. Once you get it unplugged, you have to push that tab in. Might have to have a little pick or something. Once you get it in, pull it out, plug it into the new one, plug your black wire right back up to this one. And then once you get all that plugged in, put it back in, put your headlight knob in, tighten it back down, slide your knob back in place, put everything back together, and you have a new headlight switch. All right, I got everything plugged back up. Had to pry this clip off, had to pry this clip up, push it off. Didn't have to use a screwdriver, just pried both of them up, pushed them off my hand, plugged everything up. So we're gonna put it back in place. Put this back in. Kind of hard to do with the camera. It's just as simple as that. Just plug it up, unbolt, total of 6 screws, and bolt it back together. Nothing to it. So we're gonna throw all this back together, and then the headlights will be back in the working order. So go from there. That on, the dome lights are coming on. Got to put the carpet back in this, and both headlights are coming on. So that switch definitely took care of our issue. Our running lights, our turn signals, dome lights, everything would work, but the headlights. So that definitely took care of it. So the only things left to do now is throw the carpet back in and put some miles on it.